Yo, what's up, guys? Today I'm gonna be putting stuff in one of my tackle boxes. This is my smaller one. Yeah. I have a bigger one, but I'm just making smaller ones for specific types of fish, and the big one's gonna have everything that I need. And this one's gonna have everything I need for one species, like one type of fish. And yeah, let's get into it. So first, I'm gonna put some of these. They're blue plastics. Um, I really like them. I bought a 3 pack of them. That's all they came with. I'm probably gonna buy more. Yeah. But next are some. They're called Mio Glow. Mio Glow crappie baits. Um, you can probably use them for more than just crappie. But yeah, supposed to be for crappie. Um, then we're gonna have some swivels, like some snap swivels, or yeah, whatever they're called, with something that can cut line. See that blade in there? It can cut line. Yeah. And then we're gonna have just random grubs. I don't really have anything else to put there. Then we're gonna put some jigs, well, jig heads or whatever you want to call them. I have a bunch of different kinds. Boom. Boom. Yeah, but we're gonna put those in there. I have a lot more than that, so yeah. Okay. Next, we're gonna put some of these. They're plastics. They have a hook. I've got some smallmouth with these. Uh, and largemouth, I think. I'm not really sure. I don't use them that much, but the times I do, I do. But yeah. Um, these are more plastics. I ordered them from Amazon. I like them, but there's some weird colors. There's black and gold. There's like a, if you know the ice cream, like a orange creamsicle kind of, like if you know the ice cream, you know what I'm talking about. There's that color. There's pink. Might give these to my mom. She likes pink. Um, there's there's green and white, and yeah. Then we're gonna put a topwater frog in there. Yeah, I haven't. I just bought it. I haven't caught anything with it, really. I'm going on to tomorrow or Sunday. Matters which day I get this video out. I will be I will be on a lake, um, and I'll be recording on a boat, but it might be a short video because it's supposed to be 90 something degrees all week this week and weekend, and yeah. But next, we're gonna add some of these. They're like They're supposed to be like minnows, I guess. I bought these from Amazon too. They came with these. Um, there's different colors. There's blue, black and white, black and clear, white with black sparkles, pink. Probably give these to my mom. There's like a lime green with white on the bottom. Yeah, that's it for those. Then we have these. They're small fish. I got these from my academy. I was going for like back to school stuff, and I got these. My mom, I spent my own money on them. Spend my own money on all these. I don't know why people. I've had some people say that they don't think I bought them, but all right, that should be all the plastics. I have what I was gonna put on here in here on my table. I was saving a video, but yeah, that is all the plastics. Next, we're gonna put some spinnerbaits and jigs. So that's one spinnerbait. Here's another one. It's blue, white, and yellow. This one's white and blue. Yeah, put them in the tackle box. Then we have. Oh, I got those from Walmart or Academy too. I got the Mio gloves from Academy. These my mom had them. They're like a few years old. I got this from Academy. These from Amazon. These from Amazon. I mean, the spinner, I think I told you guys. I got all the jig heads from Academy. I do already have hooks in there, like 3 different types of hooks. Just so, like, I don't want to poke myself if I do, because there's like half of a section is full of just hooks. I don't want to grab them all and just hook myself. Yeah. Next, I have a blue and black jig. This actually came in with this. It was a pack from Amazon, like some jigs and stuff. Yeah. Then we have a Whopper Plopper. Hopefully y'all can see it. Yeah, you can. I'm so confused. Okay. So it's silverish white with black. Of course, a Whopper Plopper goes 360. This one actually like bends. It doesn't hurt it. It just goes back into place. Next, they have some. We have Rooster Tails. That one. This one's older. Again, it was in my mom's old tackle box. A purple one. Then we have a triple joint, a triple jointed swim bait, I think. I haven't fished with this one yet. I got it from Academy. The Rooster Tails from, I think, either Amazon or Academy. I have a lot. The Whopper Plopper I got from Academy. Okay. This I got from Amazon. I buy a lot of stuff from Amazon. This, as you can tell, it's really old. It was in my mom's old tackle box. Let's see. We have this green, yellow, and orange. I haven't fished with it either. Got it from Amazon. Okay, y'all understand. This one, I like it. It's black. Like, it's black, purple, with, like, one of those things that are rainbow and you, like, it switches colors kind of when you move it. And silver's white. It's a crankbait. Amazon. And yeah, that's it for that one. I don't know if I'll do two in this video. I'm gonna show you guys. Okay. Okay. Sorry. Okay. There is the tackle box. Wait, I'm gonna extend it so you guys can. Okay, there's the tackle box. I know it's kind of weird. Oh, like weird looking like that. Okay. Yeah. But tomorrow or Sunday, I'm gonna be coming out with. Well, I'm probably not posting it that day because I'm posting this today, probably. Yeah, I'm gonna record that maybe. Then I'm gonna make a video of like buying baits and stocking them in another tackle box. I don't know. That's all the video ideas I really have right now. Since it's not really hunting season, I really have nothing to post. Because if you guys were here since I was posting hunting videos, you guys know that that was like that was a lot of videos. I mean, yeah, but I'll probably come out with one or two real videos of hunting, maybe three, because hunting season's from I think November through October or whatever. Yeah. I'm not really good. My mom knows all that. Turkey hunting. Probably post a video if I get something. Probably post a few shorts those times a year. With school, I might not post a lot. Like that's one of the reasons I haven't posted a lot in the last 6 months. That's when I started this channel. Yeah. So I go to school in a few weeks. I'll post plenty of videos. I'm gonna try to get at least 70 videos posted, like short, that includes shorts, posted to the end of those weeks until I have school. I will be posting fishing videos when I have school, but probably not a lot. My mom has work for like um she works a lot. She's a nurse. She works at the Veterans Home. But yeah, see you guys in the next video. Again, probably Monday, Tuesday maybe. But yeah, see you guys.